Hi there, I'm here with US Classic Muscle Cars. Right here we have a 1962 Ford Galaxie. It is a racing car. It does have a racing history to it. Despite that, it is still street legal. Has all the required lights, turning signals, and all that. If we zoom in here, we can see the engine. It is a 406 and then 500 horsepower. It is a 4-speed. We can go around the front here, take a look at it. Again, interesting design here. It is a lightweight race car. Competition proven as well. You can see, so it has won at least a few of the races that it's been raced for. Alright, you can see again, chrome details here. It does have the racing tires on it. And then here we can see the inside as well. The interior is almost entirely red. It does have the roll bar. Yeah, they took out the back seats. They don't really need it if you're solely using it as a race car. But there is room for them. It's all red carpeting, dashboard, leather seats, doors, everything. Alright, now we can go around the back. Nice big window still. Of course, the chrome lettering here. See along the back, though this is painted here. And it is a frame-off restoration, so it is not exactly original, but it's made to look like original. And you can tell a lot of this is just really detailed, really classic look to it. So their tires are about to run a bit flat. Yeah, great tires. They didn't quite match all of their wheels here, but unimportant. More racing symbols here. Then another look at the driver's side of the race car. Fire extinguisher. At least they're smart about it, that's for sure. You can tell, yeah, entirely vintage up here. You can actually hardly see right there. Yeah, it's all vintage here, and then got all the race stickers right along here. Alright, that was the gist of this vehicle. So that's the 1962 Ford Galaxie. Thank you for watching US Classic Muscle Cars.